Hey ladies, today I'm going to show you a set of the Upins. You will find all different designs, but this is basically a 101 of how to get a good hold with Upins. So they come in a set of two, and this is what you want to do. I'm going to show you a basic bun. Now, ladies, you can do all sorts of hairstyles with these. I do, but I want to show you just the basic bun first. So the first step is gather your hair in a pony, and you want to actually twist your bun. When making a bun, you want to rope it first and then coil it into the bun, okay? Make sure you tuck your ends up under that bun, all right? I like to use the 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock position. We are going to go in, gathering just the very edge of our bun, not very much hair. We are then going to go out about 1 inch and gather this hair here. Notice I insert the pin at an upward angle. So I touch the tip of the pin over. I'm gathering that outer scalp hair as I flip and back into the bun. 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock, same deal. Little bit of hair, not much, out the inch at an upward angle. Gathering this hair there as I flip back into. I can shake my hair all day long. These are not going anywhere when using that method. So comment below, I got it, if you got how to use the Upins.